Hey guys, this is Dr. Vic.
And Dr. Bo.
And we're coming at you this week talking about that one thing called the immune system.
The immune system, yeah. We just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about some patterns that we see in the office with kiddos and adults as well, but especially kiddos because, you know, with those kids we see everything almost just, it happens faster, right? They haven't been around as long, their patterns aren't as ingrained in them, so when they get adjusted, things happen faster. And when it comes to the immune system, what we see all the time is that kids that are getting adjusted, their immune system just works at a little bit of a higher pace, right? It's just a little bit stronger, it works a little bit faster. And one example of that is that oftentimes what we will see is when kids, after they get adjusted, if they're already sick or they have a high fever, sometimes their fever will actually break very shortly after the adjustment. Now, we do have to clarify, the adjustment is not breaking the fever itself, but rather the adjustment is giving that little boost to the immune system that it needs, a little boost to that neurology that controls the immune system to get it over the hump, able to overtake that bacteria, virus, whatever it may be, and all of a sudden that fever is not needed anymore, fever breaks, and baby, kid, adult feels so much better.
Totally, I love it. And that's the whole thing about the brake pedal system, right? You get an adjustment, we stimulate that brake pedal system to allow that nervous system, you know, part of that is the immune system, which gets related to that to help give that a little bit of extra boost to allow that. But you know what? That's things we see here, but then there's also been some really cool research out there. HIV patients, 6-month study of getting adjusted versus taking the standard cocktail for HIV drugs, medications. And what happened was chiropractic individuals who were adjusted had a 48% higher immune system function, especially the T helper cell, which is really designed, that's what the HIV attacks. And so it was really cool to see that. And then the drugs itself actually had a negative 7% immune function of the T helper cell. So actually chiropractic outbeat it by 55%, which is pretty stellar if you ask me, if it's an HIV patient.
Yeah.
But there's other ones too. I mean, there's studies out there that talk about stage 4 cancer patients who get chiropractic care have a 400% improvement to their immune system versus the cancer patients who did not get an adjustment. And then even normal adults who get adjustments compared to ones who do not get adjusted, the ones who do have over a 200% higher functioning immune system. So the proof's in the pudding, guys. I'll even take it further. The most dangerous flu in the world, Spanish flu 1918, killed over 30 to 50 million people within a 4-month period of time. Crazy stuff. And long story short, there were studies done back then because people were dying, going to the medical doctor, dying 1 out of 15. And so they were like, what do? They're trying all these different things, osteopaths, chiropractic, homeopathic remedies. And they had studies done with chiropractors. And long story short, the medical world, 1 out of 15 people would die. Chiropractic, 1 out of 886. Isn't that crazy?
It's crazy. And it's cool stuff. And Dr. Vic always bringing the awesome facts, the awesome history about chiropractic. What it really comes down to, guys, is you get adjusted, your nervous system, your brain functions better, your body functions better, your immune system functions better, and you can kill off the things that you were designed to kill off. It's really what it comes down to.
Yeah, guys, so make sure you know that's one thing, to make sure you're not only just getting adjusted, but make sure you're avoiding sugar as much as possible during this time of the year, and just really take care of yourself, get some good sleep, because you want to keep that immune system up as high as you possibly can, especially if you're ever more exposed to viruses and bacteria, because they don't invade your body unless your immune system is weakened enough to where they know they will attack. So I think that's all we got for this one. It's a heavy one.
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff,
But as always, we appreciate you guys, and until next time, be well,
live well.
The choice is yours.